Hi everyone, this video is an exercise 11J question 5. So we have this differential equation and we want to solve this and give the answer in this form. So we can use separation of variables, but before that we need to factorize the right hand side. Also, it's good to rewrite the left hand side as e to the x times e to the y times dy by dx is equal to. Now let's factorize the right hand side, so we can take a factor of x, and that gives us 2 plus e to the y. Right, so now we can keep all the or move the y terms to the left hand side and then the x terms to the right hand side. So we can divide both sides by this bracket 2 plus e to the y, and at the same time dividing by e to the x. So that allows us to have e to the y over 2 plus e to the y divided by dx is equal to x over e to the x. Now, this is a good form because we can then basically integrate both sides. Of course, we need to times both sides by dx, so we get x to the power minus x dx. Now, we are in a position to integrate both sides. So remember that the left hand side is just simply it's going to be len of modulus 2 plus e to the y, but the right hand side needs us to use the method called integration by parts because we have the product of two different functions. So for the right hand side, let y be equal to x, so du by dx is equal to 1, and then let dv by dx be e to the minus x. So therefore v is equal to minus e to the power minus x. Okay, so now we can, let's also write the rest of the steps here. And so integration by parts says that we can do u times v minus the integral of du by dx times v dx. Now, at this point, so u is just x and then v is minus e to the minus x. So that gives us minus x e to the minus x, and then minus 1 times e to the minus e to the minus x. But so we'll have this. But since here is negative and also outside is negative, so we can just move this negative outside of the integral and it just becomes positive inside. And now this just integrates to minus e to the power minus x plus c. So this is basically the answer to the integral on the right hand side of the differential equation. So the left hand side, as we said, is just len modulus 2 plus e to the y, and the right hand side is minus x e to the minus x and minus e to the minus x plus c. And this is exactly the form that we wanted to get at the end, because f of x on the right hand side, which means everything in terms of x, and then len g of y, which is here, so len of a function of y.